In this video, we're going to learn how to set a value, and it might be that we've been passed a value or we've received a result from a API service call or a database, and we need to set a value to change it to something different. Here we've got a webhook that we've called previously, and we've got data we've received, including a query where the value is testing, and we want to change that. So what we're going to do is create a set node, which is also called edit fields. And we can either drag and drop or we can add field here. So what we want to do is change this value over on the left where it says query value equals testing. And so we want to say that the value, which is a string just means it's a text value, not a number or a Boolean or anything else. And we're going to change it to no longer testing. And so that's a string or a piece of text. And what happens is when we execute this, we change this value that we're receiving from the previous node into what we want to pass to the following node. So we'll execute this, and really simply, all it passes on is that one value, query.value, and we've now set it to no longer testing. That's it. Hopefully you found this helpful.